What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm sure a lot of you guys are thinking about making content or vlogging, and if you are, I'm sure you feel like there's some type of rule book you need to follow. Upload at this time, use this type of thumbnail, structure your content like this, and some of that advice is helpful. But if you get too caught up in the weeds of all this online, YouTube, social media advice, then really you forget the most important part about making content, which is doing something you enjoy, making something you enjoy, something you'd be proud of.
Today we're out here looking for peregrine falcons in Alpine, New Jersey. But this video isn't really about falcons. It's about the process or the hunt, the way you can kind of tell stories with whatever you have in front of you. And today we have this ridiculous view in front of us. Say what's up, Mike.
What's going on, guys?
There he goes. There he is. A falcon? Oh no, it's just a vulture.
Now, we're not talking about throwing caution to the wind here. There are certain things that I do and a lot of other people do to help kind of drive a story, which is ultimately what a lot of us are trying to do when we make content. Every angle tells a different part of the story. A wide shot captures the scale, the cliffs, the sky, and the space that we're moving through. Whereas a medium shot draws you closer, making you feel like you're here with me. And with the tight shot, you can really appreciate the details, moments that you'd miss out on without looking closer. And that there's the language of visual storytelling.
Freaking falcons. I bet if we came out
Mad early.
like either early or closer to sunset.
Yeah, dinner time.
The best advice that I can give is about making the content simple. Make what you actually enjoy. Trends come and go. The algorithm changes every other week, and there will always be someone out there telling you the right way to do something. But if you focus on what excites you, that energy, that excitement shows through in the content and it draws in the audience. That energy comes through every single time, and the people will see that, they'll appreciate that, they'll enjoy it.
So will I actually even spot a falcon today? Who knows? But that's not the point. Or rather, it is the point. That's the process, the story. It's all an experiment, really. And it's all part of the vlog. And at the end of the day, that's way more important than following every piece of YouTube advice out there. If you get too caught up with what other people are telling you, then you're never gonna make any content, much less the content that you actually wanna make, the content that makes you happy, that brings you joy.
That's a falcon right there.
Next time you pick up your camera, remember, use the wide shot for the setting, the medium shot for the intimacy, and the close shot for the details. But above all else, remember guys, shoot what brings you joy, because really that's the only story worth telling. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button, maybe consider subscribing, and if you took anything from this video, maybe drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.